And we are back with more coverage on the Farm Bill. For months, we've been telling y'all to sign the petition for more regen ag in the 2023 Farm Bill. Sign our petition. We just launched a petition. Sign the freaking petition for more regenerative ag. So the Farm Bill heavily subsidizes crops like corn and wheat, which are very often in very processed foods. The Farm Bill also helps 42 million families put essential food on the table. Actually, over 75% of all Farm Bill funding goes to nutritional assistance programs like SNAP and WIC. So really, we're just looking at manipulating these pieces of the pie. Let's dig in. Something being discussed for this next Farm Bill, which has been majorly overlooked in the past, is more support and incentives for underrepresented farmers. Did you know that the average age of a farmer in America is 58 years old? Or that 80% of young farmers have started farming in just the last 10 years, and 65% of those people report having a primary occupation other than farming. If you're not inheriting land, or if you're not super rich, or if you don't come from generations and generations of hardworking, passionate farmers, you're not very likely to become a farmer because, well, it's hard. Current legislation almost makes it impossible to comfortably or sustainably enter the field. No pun intended. It's really, really crappy how undervalued farming is. According to the Civil Eats article, the National Young Farmers Coalition is pushing lawmakers to dedicate $2.5 billion to help transition 1 million acres of available land to the next generation of young farmers. This would help over 52,000 young people gain secure access to land over the next 10 years. There is also demand to increase funding for the federally recognized tribes extension program from $3 million to $30 million, which may sound big, but is honestly just a drop in the bucket compared to the rest of the Farm Bill, especially considering we adopted regen ag principles from indigenous communities, for gosh sakes. So my conclusion is there's a lot going on in this Farm Bill, not just for the soil or for the food and the earth, but for the people who grow it too. The Farm Bill is only passed every 5 years. That's 35 dog years. So sign our petition for more regen ag in the 2023 Farm Bill. Let's add value to where it's long overdue to one of the most important jobs in the world, farming.